Welcome back to RC Workshop, guys. Check it out today. We are out with two Traxxas slash 4x4 trucks. We're normally out with the Maxis, but we thought, hey, the Slash is sitting there on the shelf doing nothing. Let's check it out and see if we can physically break them. Anyway, guys, what I'm going to do is get some footage, stitch it together, put it on here for you guys to see. See you in a sec. Woo whoop! It's obligatory donut, one-handed. What I'm going to do is just flick the steering, press full throttle and see what happens. Let's get the wrap train on the double donut as well. Whoa! Oh, it's cast, mine's upside down. Wraps are still going for it. Ho, ho, ho. Think it needs some grease, guys, listen to it. Still a Slash 4x4 though. Way! This Slash is on 4S with a monster mist system in it. It absolutely does fly. Woo! She's fast! Yeah! Drifting! Some raptor footage! Woo! Going, dude! Oh, what's going on here? What you done? Please. No! We ain't got a slow-mo hitting that tree, have we? Oh! Let's see what's going on. Let's turn it off and turn it back on. Oh, no, that doesn't sound good. Let's come back to you in a sec. There's a big plus to it hitting that tree. All that's happened is solder's come off on the speed control. A wire simply like that, that's why it was cogging. Nothing broken, just a bit of solder. What we'll do is try and squash that in there, duct tape it on so we can carry on playing. Oh yeah. Really thought we got away with that one, guys. Just a wire, you say? No. We have got a snap drive shaft on the front there, and these are good drive shafts. I can't believe that's gone. That heavy steel part of that drive shaft's gone. All we need is to find that tube. We'll reorder that bit and get this thing back up and running. See what this thing can do then on just rear wheel drive. Will it actually move? Will it donut really well? Whoa, damn! Whoa, are you joking? What are you doing? No! Oh, stop it! Oh no! Whoa! The bead literally just flew the tyre right off with the pure force of the speed behind it. Because there was only a rear wheel drive disc.
Because it's hobby wing!
Hobby wing! Let's beat it back up and try again. What I'm going to do, guys, try and jump myself with the Slash. Go! Try that again then. Back that way. Guys, let's give you some throttle, see what happens, see how high it goes. You ready? First speed pass on 4S. Try and get that finger right down. No, it's one out. Attempt at a 4-finger speed pass. Oh, no. Throttle steady until we passed and then hammer it. Oh! Speed pass of the day, let's try and get that trigger right down. Oh! What did we hit? Owie! Tight speed pass there then, guys. Try and keep that throttle steady. then guys, it does look like the weather is about to change. We're going to try and head home before getting absolutely soaked. We've broke the Slash Raptor. The monster is still going strong. Nice little donut before going home. Full throttle. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya! Woo!